From intense revenge dramas to heart-fluttering romantic comedies, Shukru Ozyildiz has done it all. Many of us also know him as Flavius in Kurulush or Han. Today, I'm counting down his top 10 dramas and films from the least famous to the most iconic. Let's get started. Nefes Nefese. Genre, drama, thriller. Role, Boran. Plot. A young woman travels to the Syrian border searching for her father and becomes trapped in dangerous circumstances. इस कहानी में शुक्रियो बोरान के किरदार में नजर आते हैं। एक खतरनाक सरहदी इलाके में जहां हर सांस खौफ से भरी हो, बोरान एक ऐसी लड़की के सफर का हिस्सा बनता है जो अपने वालिद की तलाश में सब कुछ दांव पर लगा देती है। यहाँ मोहब्बत भी है और बका की जंग भी। Çoban Yıldızı. Genre, romance, drama. Role, Seyit. Plot. Seyit and Zuhre fall deeply in love, but powerful family conflicts and forced marriage arrangements stand in their way, turning their love story into an emotional struggle. एक ऐसा नौजवान जो सच्ची मोहब्बत पर यकीन रखता है, मगर जब खानदान, ताकत और जबरदस्ती के फैसले रास्ता रोक ले, तो मोहब्बत एक आजमाइश बन जाती है। Benim Hala Umudum Var. Genre, romance, drama. Role, Hakan. Plot. Umut, a girl from a poor neighborhood, dreams of a better life. Hakan enters her life, creating a complicated love triangle filled with ambition, jealousy and class differences. ये कहानी है उम्मीद की और दिल के मुश्किल फैसलों की। Tatlı Küçük Yalancılar. Genre, mystery, teen drama. Role, Eren. Plot. After their best friend mysteriously disappears, a group of girls starts receiving threatening messages exposing their secrets. Eren becomes emotionally connected to the mystery surrounding them. जब एक दोस्त अचानक गायब हो जाती है और राज एक-एक करके सामने आने लगते हैं, तो हर किरदार शक के दायरे में आ जाता है। Şeref Meselesi. Matter of Respect. Genre, crime, drama. Role, Emir Kılıç. Plot. After their father's humiliation leads to tragedy, Emir chooses the dark path of revenge, diving into the criminal world while his brother seeks justice in a different way. वालिद की मौत के बाद अमीर इंसाफ के बजाय इंतकाम का रास्ता चुनता है। ये कहानी है इज्जत, गुस्से और अंधेरे फैसलों की। Akıncı. Genre, action, superhero. Role, Fatih Akıncı. Plot. Fatih is a history teacher by day and a masked vigilante by night. As Akıncı, he protects Istanbul from organized crime and powerful enemies. Akıncı दिन में एक आम उस्ताद, मगर रात को एक नकाबपोश हीरो। एक तरफ सादगी, दूसरी तरफ बेखौफ ताकत। Sevimli Tehlikeli. Genre, romantic comedy, adventure. Role, Zarok. Plot. Zarok kidnaps a wealthy young woman named Zelis as part of a plan. But during their unexpected journey, love grows between them, revealing hidden truths about her past. एक अगवा से शुरू होने वाला सफर, सच्चाई और मोहब्बत की ऐसी कहानी में बदल जाता है, जो किस्मत का रुख मोड़ देती है। Kış Güneşi. Genre, drama, revenge, romance. Role, Fa/Mete. Plot. After witnessing his father's murder as a child, Fa grows up unaware of his wealthy twin brother Mete. Years later, identities are switched, leading to a powerful story of revenge and destiny. शुक्रियो यहाँ एफे और मैते जुड़वा भाइयों का किरदार अदा करते हैं। Ruhun Duymaz. Genre, romantic comedy, action. Role, Onur Karasu. Plot. Onur is an intelligence officer trying to expose a jewelry smuggling ring. While working undercover, he gets entangled with the suspect's spirited sister, and professional duty clashes with unexpected romance. फर्ज और दिल के दरमियान ये कश्मकश कहानी को खास बना देती है. Ashk Taktikleri. Genre romantic comedy. Role Kerem. Plot Kerem, a confident advertising executive, makes a bet with a fashion blogger to use psychological love tactics to make each other fall in love. But their game slowly turns real. जब शर्त सच्ची जज्बात में बदल जाए, तो खेल खत्म और दिल की कहानी शुरू.